and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome to those of you who are new. My name is Brianna Weiler, and today I'm going to be bringing you an unboxing of my brand new vlogging camera. I got this for my birthday and for Christmas from my husband. It comes with the camera, a camera stand with a wireless Bluetooth shutter remote, a memory card, and an extra battery pack. So I'm going to open this box with you guys and show you what's inside, what comes inside one of these, what do they call them? Video creator kits. So I got the Canon and I got the PowerShot G7X Mark III, and I'm so excited. I've heard so many wonderful things about the Canon GX7 Mark II from a bunch of the YouTube channel creators, content creators that I follow here on YouTube, and I'm so excited to finally have a vlogging camera. I have my iPhone. I've used an iPhone the entire time I've had my channel, and my videos have been great. It's been an amazing way to learn and grow from it, but I also wanted to grow more and be able to use other technology and whatnot. So my phone, the memory is like super full with all of the video footage and the thumbnail pictures I've had to take and all of that fun stuff, which is great memories to have. But my phone being downloaded and bombarded with all of that, it's just great to have another place to record and have stuff, and then I can use my phone as backup when I don't have my camera with me, and it'll be amazing. I'm so excited. So on the box here, it says it comes with the camera, a charging wall charger, a battery, and a wrist strap, and then you get the Canon tripod grip, and it has the remote on it, and then you also get an extra battery and a 32 gigabyte, I don't know what all of that stuff, an SDCH memory card. So I'm so excited about all of that. Let's see what this box has in store for us. I'm so excited. My birthday is still not for 2 weeks technically, but my husband's amazing and got it for me a little early. So I just used some scissors and opened the little tape on the bottom here, and it opens up and it says unbox your creative side, get started, and then hashtag co-create with Canon. And then it has like their Instagram and YouTube handles there. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. And my goodness, so excited. Okay, so this right here is the battery. So it comes with the extra battery here, and that is amazing that it has the extra battery. I was looking into backup batteries on Amazon and seeing what prices were good, and I follow a creator here on YouTube named, her name is Catherine Manning, and she has a vlog channel, and she also has a channel all about how to get started on YouTube and different things to do to create great content for your YouTube channel, and how to edit thumbnails and do all this kinds of stuff, like all of the behind the scene things that I actually watched a lot of before creating stuff for my channel. So I owe a lot to her channel, like helping me learn and grow as a YouTube creator. So this must be the tripod, and I will open each of these. Oh, there's the picture of it. The tripod is in there. I'll open each of the boxes and show you what's inside of them as well. And then there's another box here, or another flap here, and it's the memory card. So now I know what to look for when I go looking for memory cards. When we went to pick this up, we did the store pickup for this because our Best Buy does not carry it in the store. They have to get it delivered to them or whatever. So there's that. Instructions on how to start and set up the remote control, which I will do off camera and figure all of that stuff out off camera. And my favorite part of this whole box, now it's empty. This is the camera, the main star of this box. I was so excited to get this. I decided to get the Mark III because it's just a step up, or like a newer version of the GX Mark II. So I figured it would just be better to have the slightly newer one instead of in a few years needing to buy the other, like this camera or even newer one. I'll already have one of the newer versions of it. I am so excited. Opening it all up. There's all the booklets and stuff that go with the camera. It comes with the wall charger and another instruction booklet. Comes with the wall charger inside of here. I'm gonna open that up. And it's a Canon charger, and it actually says charge and when it's full. So that'll be great to have. And it's a wall charger, but it folds in. So it's easy to transport when going places, which is great because we travel frequently. So that'll be nice to have. And then I opened up the next flap in this box. And in there is the star of the show. We got the battery here. The Canon battery is right there. And then the wrist strap is inside of a little plastic bag here. And the amazing camera. Ah, I can't wait. I'm trying to be so careful with it because I do not want to break it. Don't want to harm it on its first seconds out of the package. It is awesome little camera. There it is. Let's see, open. Has no memory card, no battery because the battery was inside the box there. I probably have to charge it before I can get it going. And then it has the screen that flips so you can move it, and it flips up so that way when vlogging and looking at it, you can see yourself. I am so excited about this. I've been waiting for so long. And then it also does, like, if you're taking pictures outside and you want to like angle it slightly different to be able to see the screen better when taking pictures, it also does like a little fold out like that. So that'll go back there. It also has a slot for a microphone. I am so excited to get started with this. I am so thankful to my husband for being so supportive in this journey through YouTube and not just letting me, because it's not like I needed permission, but being supportive and being there for me through the journey of creating my YouTube channel and creating content for you guys and being supportive of all of that. And then also being willing to purchase this camera. I've been on YouTube for a year now, over a year at this point, and I am so excited to actually have a camera to vlog with and do videos and even just to take regular pictures with when we go on our trips and stuff. I can't wait to see what the quality is on this, and I am so thankful for each and every one of you who are watching my channel and following along on this journey that I have here on YouTube that I've been posting and sharing with you guys, and I am so thankful for each and every one of you. I love you to pieces, and I'm going to end this video here and see you on the next one. Bye guys.